This is wiring video 9. What we're going to do is look at importing into the wiring program the electrics based on the floor plan. So here we can see an electrics project with all our HVAC and our lighting circuits, etc. all connected in. So what we need to do is move back into the wiring with a view to importing this project. So here we are in the wiring project. So to import from the floor plan based program, select import. Then go and pick the project. So there's the project we import from. This will arrange the boards once we've completed the update. So here we can see the import update dialog box indicator with a whole series of colors representing, in this case, it's a brand new import. If this was the second pass and I already had the system already in here and I'd made changes to the floor plan, the colors would imply the status of the change. So I might have added a new board, or I might have added some new circuits in. So the colours here imply the status of the boards being entered, in this case a new board. If I wish to deselect boards, I can double click on them. They go red, so they're not selected. Green is selected. We then import, and that will arrange the boards on the layout in that semi sort of haphazard fashion, which we then need to rearrange and drag into the system. And it also picks up the fact that we've got ring mains on here that we need to add RCDs. So we'll add those RCDs in. Just zoom out a bit. Then what I'll do is move all of this into position. And we can start rearranging it on the layout. I'll start moving the boards around. Deselect the entire project, grab a board, move it around. That one there. So we can follow the cable. So on this first cable here, that's going to this board here. You see it's arranged them in floor level. I'll then go to this next cable, this next board here. Drag, reposition. Drag, reposition. And I shall grab that board and put that up there. These two boards can be dragged as a pair, moved over here. We can tidy the cables up, so I can click on a horizontal cable, click on the horizontal section, drag and let go, so I can tidy up my cables as I go. And move the whole thing into position. And then view home. So then I could stitch in the cable from my main distribution board into this supply. I'm not going to do that because video number 10, I'm going to show you how to put multiple supplies in.